Bro, like, I'm dying playing this, man. There we go, okay. I did a little thingy.
You said you're taking a break from Xtreme, mate.
Well, apparently I'm playing Misfire now, so this is how, like, my average playing experience goes when it comes to, like, levels, bro.
This should be what I do, not you, or Bearbow, or Ethan.
There we go. I did
I have
85
US
to 100.
schematics.
Other people play a group of 1 Wait.
Okay. Lick my lips. Ooh, I hate that. Ooh.
I like the fact that Ethan came into this call saying, oh, I'm going to take a break from bloody Xtremes.
Yeah, I actually did say that I was going to take like a break from Xtremes, and now I'm doing Misfire, so that's fun.
This might be my fault.
It is entirely your fault, Emily.
No,
I have to listen to Lick My Lips like 17 million times now, thanks to you, Bearbow. Not Bearbow, Emily.
He's got this vibe on.
What?
He's just got to lick my lips on.
Because I'm playing that level, I keep on dying.
We'll have to eternally listen to lick my lips.
Yep, until I get past and then get to like a new level. I'm getting a lot better at this level, bro. I've just nearly done 76 to 100.
I have lots of money. Oh, that's
76 to 100, bro! Bearbow, why is this level actually kind of fun and consistent? Bearbow, send help, please. This level's actually kind of fun and consistent. Help.
Oh my god. Is there any way you can just kick Charlie off my phone?
Dude, 73 to 100 on Misfire? Bro, I hate this music so much.
I'm 25.
Yes, dude!
25 plus the square root of 50 is 32.0.
Guys, I did 70 to 100. Right, so I've put in 1,100 attempts and I've been able to do 70 to 100, bro. Let's go.
It was...
Yes! Dude! I did 65 to 100 on Misfire. Yeah! Dude! I don't know where that was from, but yay! Dude, I did 56 to 100 on Misfire, bro. Yes! Yes! I did the run! Bearbow, I swear you tried to sabotage me midway through that. Oh my god, dude, what was that run? That had to have been like below 50 to 100, bro. I did 46 to 100, bro. Bro, I got a lag spike. That's stupid, bro. Why did I forget what to do? I forgot what to do. I did it again. I don't know why, but like midway through the part where like after it says it about licking lips, I move my arm and it totally throws me off, and I don't know why I move my arm because I don't need to, which made me die there again. Yes! Yes! I did the run! I did the run! I did the run! I did the run! Bearbow! Oh my god! Bearbow! Oh my god, bro. I didn't even know what that was to 100, bro. I did 38 to 100 on Misfire. That's... wow, bro. I forgot what, bro. Whatever. Yeah, 27! 27! Wow, that was a massive new best, bro. Jesus Christ. This level has 68 victors. Please let me be the 69 victor of Misfire. Oh my god, I'm begging. I need to be the 69 victor, come on. Alright, well. Got some progress. No! That's stupid. I don't even know what that was from, bro, but new best, let's go. New best run. What even was that? What even was that? What even was that? Let's see. What did I do to 100 just then? I think I did like 20. I can't even tell, bro. That might have been like 27. Oh no, definitely 27 to 100, bro. Oh my god, 27 to 100. Bro, again! Oh my god. No! Had I have made it past that, bro, that would have literally been the level in 2 runs. I got a lag spike. Oh my god. 30% twice. What the frick? What the hell? What the what? What the what? What the hell? What the what? What? What in the what in the what? Bro, okay, so now I gotta check where that is. Right there. So 43%. 43.
Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Pause on your
Bro.
Ooh, please adopt me. Pause on your
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. That was literally the drop to 100. I've never died there before, bro.
Unzip your baggy is panto, baby. You so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours. And don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wokey kisses.
Whoa! Whoa, I thought I died, but then I didn't. Oh my god, bro. New best. New best, new best, new best, new best. What was that? What was that?
You see me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wokey kisses and lickies your neck.
What the hell? Oh my god. I just nearly beat it. Bro, I just nearly beat it. What? No, 44.
I'm not.
No.
Dead. Not dead. I don't know why I specified Africa.
No, I died at 50. No, 52. No, 68.
Oh,
I died to something I've never died to before. Oh my god. Oh yeah, 14 to 100, let's go! I mean, well, not really, because I just did the drop to 100, and that's literally the whole level, but like, sure. No, 59. No, 50. What? No! 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 91? Oh my god. No, wait, what? How did I even die there? Come on. No! Really? I just got 87. Again?
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Right, Xtreme noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Noses are Nicky, wacky, till they were till they hee hee. Unzips your baggy is panto, baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wokey kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy like these suzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Pause on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Ooh woo! Ooh woo! Ooh woo! Ooh woo! Yes, go! Ooh woo! Ooh woo! Woo! I did it, bro. I did it. I beat Misfire. Oh my god, that... Hi. Wait, no! Are you kidding me? That is such a payoff. 2-0-U. Oh my god, dude, I was nearly the 69 victor, but cool. I just beat the level.
Yeah, I know, and that means you need to do the level again.
Let's count up my attempts. Right, so second hardest demon that I've done after a grand total of 10,053 attempts. Feels weird having done. Let's go.
Rawr. Xtreme noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Noses are Nicky.